Binigyang diin ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang importansya ng intelligence funds para sa presidente, vice-presidente at iba pang miyembro ng executive department na kasalukuyang mayroon nito. Ito ang kanyang sinabi sa kanyang programang Gikan sa Masa para sa Masa kasama si Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy. Matatandaan na iminungkahi ni Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel na gawing zero ang intelligence funds ng Office of the President para sa taong 2024. Gayon din sa Office of the Vice President at Department of Education.
In that case, if you do away with the intelligence fund of the President, Vice President, and all, you might as well do away with everybody. The intelligence gathered by the military would be a far different thing gathered by the mayors and the administrators. Hindi mo pwedeng alisin yan.
Naniniwala si Pimentel na hindi anya kailangan ng Executive Department ang intelligence funds kasi hindi criminal law enforcement ang pangunahing mandato nito. Giniit din ng Senate Minority Leader mga ahensya lamang ng pamahalaan na may kinalaman sa intelligence gathering ang karapat-dapat na magkaroon ng intelligence funds. Halimbawa niya rito ang Philippine National Police at Bureau of Investigation. Sang-ayon naman si Pimentel na magkaroon ng confidential funds ang Department of Foreign Affairs dahil kasama ito sa national security at foreign policies. Ngunit ayon kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na naging mayor na rin ng Davao City ng mahabang panahon, kailangan pa rin ng presidente, vice-presidente, mga mayor at iba pang mga miyembro ng executive department ang intelligence funds dahil may kinalaman pa rin sila sa national security at ang pagkakaroon din ng pondong ito ay parte ng demokrasya.
And kung sabihin mo na tanggalin mo yung intelligence fund, lalo na sa executive department, alam mo yung Congress lays down the policy. When the policy is there, produced by Congress, it is implemented. Ngayon yung implementation, it covers a lot of all aspects of governance. Things you must need to know before you act. That is intelligence fund. Things that you need to know before you say something, that is intelligence fund, especially in matters of national security. You cannot do away with it by just giving it to the military. I'm not saying that they cannot be trusted. But that is not the way how democracy works. You know, you have to get the sources from all. Now, itong mga executives, mayors, governors, presidente, kailangan talaga nila. The vice president should know why, because the president does not share the secrets of the intelligence gathered with the vice president.
Ipinaliwanag din ng dating Pangulo na malaki ang kaibahan ng intelligence funds na mayroon ng Executive Department kumpara sa mga ahensya tulad ng Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Yung market ng survey, iba yung market ng survey ng military, pati yung civilian. Hindi magkapareho yan. They do not really even approximate each other. When they say that
Ayon pa kay Duterte, kailangan din ito ng mga mayor bagamat hindi gaano kalaki ang kailangan nila. Nabanggit din ng dating Pangulo na nagamit niya ang intelligence funds para sugpuin ang krimen at insurhensya bilang presidente ng bansa at malaki ang naitulong nito upang gawing mapayapa ang Davao City.
kaya ang mga mayors, how do they should run? They must have not excessively given. Pero importante yung intelligence man Ewan ko, I've been mayor for 23 years. You think I could have the first thing to enjoy happiness dito sa Pilipinas, Davao City? You think nakuha natin yan kung walang investment?
Para sa Diyos at Pilipinas kong mahal, Angie De Leon, SMNI News.